Hello students, welcome to my channel Learn English and Win the World. बच्चों, अभी तक आपने मुझे जितना प्यार दिया है, उम्मीद करती हूँ आगे भी आप मुझे ऐसे ही प्यार देते रहोगे. Students, I am so sorry for delay in uploading my video due to certain unavoidable circumstances. So please, I request you to bear with me. In my last videos, I had taught you about the second part of speech, that is pronoun. Today my video is about the third part of speech, that is adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective जिसको कि हम हिंदी में विशेषण कहते हैं. An adjective is a word which tells us something more about a noun. We can also say that adjective is a describing word because it describes a noun. For example, when I say Ram is a boy, it is a simple sentence which says that Ram is a boy. But when I say Ram is a good boy, it adds something more about Ram. Other than being a boy, he is also a good boy. A good boy, good is the adjective which describes the noun Ram or the noun boy. So, adjective is a word that tells us something more about a noun, or in other words, we can say adjectives are describing words because they describe a noun. In the same way, we can say now that adjectives are of different kinds, and the way they describe a noun, it depends upon the way they describe a noun. They are categorized into different categories like adjective of quality, adjective of quantity or number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. What are adjectives of quality? Adjective of qualities are the words that describe the quality of a noun. For example, these are sweet berries. Now, the word sweet here describes the noun berries which are very sweet. बेर कैसे हैं? बेर मीठे हैं. She is a beautiful girl. वह लड़की कैसी है? वह सुंदर लड़की है. It again adds the quality of beauty to the girl, that the girl is a beautiful girl. So these words which add certain qualities to the noun are known as adjective of quality. The second type of noun is adjective of quantity or adjective of number. Adjective of quantity shows the quantity of a noun. Adjectives of number show the number of a noun. For example, when I say, I need some water. Some is the quantity of water that I need. मुझे क्या चाहिए? मुझे थोड़ा पानी चाहिए. Quantity. मुझे थोड़ा पानी चाहिए. I need some water. I need some sugar. मुझे कुछ चीनी चाहिए. तो some, I have much money. Much again shows the quantity of money that I have. So some, much, these words, they show the quantity of a noun and hence are called adjectives of quantity. Similarly, the nouns which show the numbers are called the adjective of numbers, which show the number of a noun. For example, there are 5 boys in the class. Now this 5 is the adjective of number. कितने लड़के हैं? क्लास में 5 लड़के हैं. So this shows the number of the noun, that is boys, and hence is called the adjective of number. Then we have the demonstrative adjective. Demonstration means what? Demonstrative word. Demonstrative adjectives are the words that show, that point out a noun. When we point out a noun by saying in singular, for singular nouns, we use this, that. For plural nouns, we use these and those. This, words, this and these show a proximity which is near. That and those show a far away plural things. This can be better understood by certain examples. This boy is my brother. यह लड़का. अब this word this points out the boy, the noun, who is my brother. This boy is my brother. These boys, plural boys, these boys are my brothers. That tree is green. वो पेड़ कैसा है? वो green है. That tree is green. Those trees are green. So there, these, that, those, these are called demonstrative adjectives because they demonstrate the noun we talk about. They simply point out the nouns that we talk about. Now, interrogative adjectives also put up a question about the noun. How? Let us see. Which pen is yours? So the word which, when used before a noun, becomes an interrogative adjective because it is talking about the noun and putting up a question about the noun. Hence, it is an interrogative adjective. The last adjective that we are going to talk about is the possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are those adjectives which tell us whose that noun is, to whom that noun belongs. That is a possessive adjective. For example, when I say, this is my house. House is a noun. When my is used before house, it shows my possession that this house belongs to me. Hence, it is a possessive adjective. We can further understand by some more examples. This is your bag. ये बैग किसका है? ये बैग तुम्हारा है. Now the word your, when used before bag, shows the possession of the bag by someone who is you. This is your bag. Hence, my, your, their, its, these are all possessive adjectives. So, adjective is very simple that we came to know. Adjective is that part of speech which describes a noun or which tells us something more about the noun. And these are the various types of adjectives. Adjectives is also a very big part of speech. It includes many things. This is the first video on adjective, which simply deals about what an adjective is and the types of adjectives. In our next video, we shall deal more about adjectives, that is the degrees of comparison, the articles, etc., which come under the heading adjectives. Till then, please like, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, जैसा कि आप करते आ रहे हैं। आगे भी मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे इन मोर एंड मोर नंबर्स। थैंक यू।